Want to know how to add interest on your LinkedIn account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in and I do have a separate profile of LinkedIn. If you do not know how to create it, you can visit our channel and watch more videos related to LinkedIn. So today, to simply add interest, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon on the top left corner, tap on View Profile. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see a section of interest. What is an interest? Tap on See All on the bottom. You can see that these are the influencers and the companies that I follow. That means these people belong to my interest. I'm really interested in what they are doing as an influencer or what these companies are doing. So basically, these are the people that I follow. So to simply add influencer, all you have to do is tap on the search option. Search for any of the companies or any of the famous computer software as well. I'm really interested in Instagram. So to simply add on interest, all I have to do is tap on this follow option, and I am following Instagram right now. And I do have pages also related to Instagram, and as same as Instagram, I'm going to follow Twitter and even YouTube. So to make sure that it has been added to my interest, you can go back and tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on View Profile. On the bottom, onto the interest section, tap on See All here. Tap on See All companies. On the bottom, you can see that I am following YouTube, Twitter, and even Instagram. That means this has been added to my interest. So I'll get lots of features related and even the notification and the job related to this site. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.